up here, but on the bridge, it's got the, oh, it's a, for the tremolo bar there or whatever. Doesn't have a bar with it. And I don't know if there's springs are in the back or not, so. You know what, let me take that part off first. I got some pickups in mind for this one. I don't know if they'll fit for sure. What I'm going to have to put in there, I might get something different, but let me show you real quick the first one. This is the pickup I got. Just I think it might look alright in there. We'll see. We'll flip it over, and I'm not sure, like I said, I'm not sure it'll fit. Alright, everything looks kind of okay here. To be honest, I'm not sure what to do with this part, because I've never played with one of these before. Alrighty. A lot of stuff needs cleaning here. I'm not sure where I have one. Be right back to get you some pliers. I'm going to pull these springs out of here, I believe. That might help me. Like I said, I've never done these before, so it actually came out a lot easier than I thought it was going to. We'll definitely speed through some of these parts where we're just taking crap off. Yeah, right. That is definitely a mess. I don't know why you can see some of the dirt in there. Like I said, it's missing one of the pieces. So, yeah, these are the kind of what you got some. Like a little Allen key. Got some of those. I'm going to stop this one here.